These workers have been at the forefront of the pandemic, and we are proud of the work they have done to minimise the transmission of COVID-19 and to protect the community. This is actually a momentous day for WA, as we embark in the biggest vaccination program that the country has ever seen, and certainly the biggest one we've ever seen in WA. The WA Department of Health is obviously responsible for the rollout of that program to the priority groups as agreed by the Australian Government. We're very excited about this program. A lot of work has gone into the planning. A lot of it you won't have seen in the background, but it's certainly been there. I was down at the clinic this morning to see it being set up and to see the first 2 vaccinations. And all of those who are in the clinic are ready to go. And as we speak, the vision from the clinic is being distributed to the various media outlets so that you can utilise that. There are more than 331 people who are booked into the hotel clinic for the first day, and we've already have 238 who are booked in for tomorrow, and that will increase through the day. To date, more than 3,427 people have been invited to receive a COVID-19 vaccination through our Department of Health booking system, which was launched last week. And the latest figures show that around 1,009 people who are eligible for the vaccine will be done this week. As the program continues to roll out and more vaccines become available, we know that this number will continue to exponentially grow. We would strongly encourage all of our frontline workers who have been invited to register to receive the vaccine as soon as possible. So there's still plenty of opportunities for them to get the vaccine. The first vaccines are obviously being administered at one of the Perth hotels, at a special COVID vaccine clinic at that hotel, which has been established for hotel quarantine workers. Subsequent vaccinations, which will continue to be allocated based on risk, and will include other frontline workers, including healthcare and at-risk workers such as emergency and critical care staff, will be done at other sites. So we've established the vaccine clinic at the Hyatt, but we will move on to the International Airport and to Fremantle Port for Phase 1A vaccinations for those people who are eligible to receive it. Those people at those clinics will be vaccinated by a team from the Child and Adolescent Health Service, and having met with them this morning, they're all ready to go, and everything's arranged. As part of the national rollout, we're getting around 5,000 doses will be coming to WA each week for the next 3 weeks, and then we expect it to increase after that. The first trays, as you're aware, arrived yesterday, so 3,900 of those doses came to WA Health to administer, and around 1,100 doses went to the Commonwealth to their teams to vaccinate the aged care and disability care residential facilities. This is a logistically complex operation. The fact that it's being done simultaneously across the country probably highlights the complexity of this, and I'm pleased to say it went extremely well. Seeing the vaccine arrive this morning, seeing the first doses being drawn out, we did get 6 doses from the first vial, was great to see. As more doses arrive, we will ramp up the vaccinations and increase the number of clinics that are available, including logistical hubs at Perth Children's Hospital and those in Albany, Broome, Geraldton, Kalgoorlie and Port Hedland, as well as the regional ports. It is expected that everyone in Western Australia will have the opportunity to be vaccinated for COVID-19 by the end of 2021. Further details on how to access the vaccination will be widely promoted to the different priority groups as they become eligible, and to the broader community thereafter.